You hold, ha, me love. You hold. Where are you going, me love?
Ano? Shopping? Shopping na naman?
You want to play? No, you will no, hair cut your hair. Later you will play. Later na. Not here. In Jollibee. Oo. Sige, mommy will take a picture on you. I remove your face mask. Oh, be careful. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Wow, hinka cute. Oo. Mana kay daddy niya. Smile. Oh, very good ah. Oh, enough na. Di. There na naman. Every time we come here, you're always... sige. Gonna take... Sige. Cheese. Okay. And also your cousin. Go there. How about the baby? Go there. You're two?
Oh, you look up here.
Look at here. Okay. Ang cute. Okay, come on. Okay. Antok. Yeah, because it's not real. It's only a doll.
Ayaw magpaano hawak. Hold na.
Yan guys, nandito kami sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. Magpapa-haircut si Nathan kasi haba na yung hair niya. Mamaya party nila sa Jollibee. Mamaya pa yung 3:30. So, nandito muna kami sa Lucky Chinatown Mall para magpa-haircut siya sa robots and dolls. Yung outfit niya, ang cute. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung outfit niya.
Saan siya papagpapit?
Dun sa robots and dolls.
Akyat ba?
Nagdula man, diretso ka man. Dulot.
Sa Nathan. Let's go there first. Let's go there first. Here. There, oh. Yan, dito kami sa Robots and Dolls. Dito ko siya papagupitan, guys. Siya palaging ginugupitan sa Robots and Dolls. Here we go again. Si Suki. Okay. We're here now. Again. Long hair again. Afternoon. Oo. Yung? Oh, sige. Oh.
Mag-i-school ka na ba? Ha?
Ganyan lang isa ni papakalbo mo.
Opo, pwede mo ako dito.
Si kuya na. Pag
Kung